Hello special people, CleanEurasia 2023 welcoming you in Istanbul, and we also want to show you all our new and innovative product in our booth. Let's go inside. Alright guys, so 2023 our new big ride-on machine in our booth, and this is 245 liter capacity, so which is really strong machine, which is 150 liter blancus 85 ride-on machine with really big battery power, so almost you can work more than 5 hours. Smaller ride-on, walk behind, also with traction motor, electricity model, also walk behind machine, and we also have smaller walk behind for scrubber machine. Do you remember this? Last time we showed you new orbital Modax G4, and this time in 2023 we also showed you the same machine with more improvement and new innovations. We see how durable it is with strong cables. Our new cleaning part can be movable, so it's very strong. Double bucket, which is very suitable, very easy to use, and also big cleaning trolleys. You can customize any model you want. You can prepare all model as you wish. The biggest machine that we have for using in factory, you can clean anywhere you want in factory. 2 motor vacuum cleaners, 3 motor vacuum cleaners, and also many capacity vacuum cleaner we have in our factory and our company. We would like to show you our street sweeper machine with 2 brush and middle brush, also ride-on machine. This is the new blancus 40, so which means it's very easy to use, very durable, very strong, and very innovative products. Carpet cleaning, wet and dry vacuum, any place that you can. This is our company. So who came to visit us in 2023 CleanEurasia Istanbul, I would like to say thank you for visiting and thank you for supporting us. I would like to see you next year and also the other years, next and next year. So continue to follow us. See you.